If you want to delete your Facebook account permanently in 2025, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on the bottom right corner on your profile picture, and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner of the screen to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Then you'll have to tap on see more in account center, and then tap on personal details, and it will take you to this page. Now you'll have to tap on account ownership and control. After that, you'll have to tap on deactivation or deletion on the bottom, and then select your Facebook profile. Now there are two options. The first one is deactivate account, and the second one is delete account. You'll have to select delete account, then hit continue, and then hit continue again. It will delete all your Facebook pages as you are deleting your Facebook account. Now you can select any one of these reasons, like it doesn't really matter. So I'll select I spent too much on Facebook, then hit continue again, and then hit continue again. And it will ask you to deactivate all your accounts like Messenger, and if you want to download information, you can download it by tapping on this option. Now you'll have to tap on continue again, and at the last it will ask you to enter your password, and when you'll hit continue after entering your password, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and it will be permanently deleted within 30 days, and within these 30 days you can reactivate your Facebook account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.